Hi, I'm Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com. In this video, I'm going to share with you the one big mistake that I see business presenters make that really ruins their presentations, and I'm also going to share with you how to avoid that mistake in your business presentations. This is not a tutorial video, but if you're a business presenter, then you will find the information in this video quite useful. By the way, if you are new to this channel, we help professionals improve their PowerPoint presentations. So if you make PowerPoint presentations as part of your profession, then please consider subscribing to this channel because you will find a lot of relevant content for you in this channel. Now let us jump right in and see what is that one big mistake most business presenters make. The mistake is to include a ton of text on their slides. Now take a look at the slide here. This is how a typical business presentation slide looks. The reason why most business presenters stuff their slides with text is because of various reasons. The first reason is they tend to use their slides as reference notes, which means they don't really have to do any practice ahead of their presentation. They just can open up their PowerPoint slides and then can read out whatever that is given there and their presentation is done. Of course, that is the worst way to make a business presentation, and you will surely lose your audience with that strategy. The second reason why they use so much text is they tend to use the same slide as a handout and as a visual aid for their presentation. So if some important members in the audience have not turned up for their presentation, they can send these slides over and they can expect them to go through the information and have the same experience as they had when they attended their presentation. The third reason is this is the norm in corporate world. In fact, when I was working in corporate, I have seen that the bosses insisted that the slides look like this so that the slides look as if they have some content. Any slide with less text is seen as a frivolous slide. Please let me know in the comment section below if you are able to relate to this particular issue. Now, if there is one thing you can do to significantly improve the effectiveness of your business presentations, then it is to learn how to minimize the amount of text that you have on your slides. Because whenever you show any slide with so much text, one of two things will happen. There is one set of audience who would feel overwhelmed by these wall of words and they will tune out instantly. Another set would actually tune you out as a presenter and they start reading the text ahead of you, which means once they finish reading this, they will completely ignore you. So either way, your presentation is not going to be successful. There is one simple trick that I follow that significantly reduces the amount of text that I use on a slide. If you understand and follow that trick, you too can have effective slides with very little text. The technique is to imagine that you have a whiteboard next to you and not a slide. Now think about this. This is a 5-stage buyer decision process here. If you were to present this information to your audience and all you had was a whiteboard marker and a whiteboard, would you be writing all this in front of your audience? Of course you won't. You will write just the name of each of the stages. And then think about when would you write the names of each of the stages. You won't write the names of each of the 5 stages ahead of your explanation. You will write down the name of the first stage, give the explanation to the audience, then you will write the name of the second stage, give your explanation, then the third stage, and so on. That is exactly how a slide needs to be used. That means your slide won't have this much text. Since you're going to write just the titles of each of the stages, you're going to have a slide that looks like this. Now think about this. Your audience already feels a sigh of relief. There is not so much text for them to process. The next thing is to simulate the experience of presenting with a whiteboard. You will present each of the stages with custom animation. Now to take that a notch further up, instead of presenting the 5 stages as 5 bullet points, you can present them using a simple diagram. Any diagram that represents the flow from one stage to the next. It can be a simple box and arrow diagram. Now, as a business presenter, I know that time is at a premium for you. I don't want you to waste your time creating your graphics from scratch. it is always a smart idea to use ready-made templates to visualize your information. In our modern PowerPoint templates pack, we have more than 750 fully editable PowerPoint templates with a beautifully stylish look and feel that will help you to visualize your information quite easily. When I went to our modern PowerPoint templates pack, I was able to find this graphic that shows 5-stage linear process. As you can see, this graphic really looks beautiful. All you need to do is to replace each of these with the names of each of the stages. And if you do that, you will get this result. Can you see here, instead of a bullet point list like this, you can represent the information in this beautiful visual diagram. Now to present this, when I go to the slideshow mode, all that the audience sees is the title of the slide, which says 5 stages of buyer decision process. Then on a click, we show the name of the first stage, provide the explanation, then show the second stage, provide the explanation, the third stage, the fourth stage, and the final stage. Now think about this. We are using the same trick that I mentioned earlier. We are using our slides as if we would use a whiteboard. We would present the information in stages, and at no point of time we would include anything that we would not write on a whiteboard. When you do that, your business presentation slides won't look like this, but they will look like this. And your audience will thank you for it every single time. Now, I'm going to show you some creative examples of how to represent a process flow in your business presentation. All the templates that I'm going to show you are taken from our modern templates pack. The first example is this. This is an example of movement from one stage to the next. Here in this case, dead end to bright future. First, you can give explanation about the dead end here and the bright future here, and then with a purposeful custom animation, we show the movement from one to the next. Another template is this one, which shows 3-step process with icons. You can see that the graphic looks really attractive. The next one is 4-step process with icons. You can see a very different visual treatment given to this graphic, and these icons will really add some visual perspective to your information. Another example is 5-step timeline with icons. You can see that all the icons are displayed right at the beginning, and we will provide explanation for each stage like so. Can you see here? These things can really give a lot of variety in the way in which you provide your explanation. And the final one is this visual that shows 4 stages along the path. On a click, you can bring the explanation for each of the 4 stages. So the next time when you want to design a business slide, keep the trick that we learned in this video in your mind. Always use your slide as if you are using a whiteboard to provide your explanation. Don't include any more text than what you would write on a whiteboard, and always reveal your text in stages, just as you would do when you are writing on a whiteboard. I hope you really like this trick. Please share how you would use the trick in your presentations in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video.